Perfect Locks, and I'm here to introduce you to our new topper line. This is my client Cashmere, and we're going to be using the toppers to eliminate some of the thinning we're seeing in the front, as well as creating extra volume. This is our topper piece. It is applied using pressure-sensitive clips. It will be applied to the occipital part of the head to create extra volume and blend in nicely with the front of the hair. And so what you're going to do is open all of the clips, and you're going to place it about 1 to 2 inches behind the natural hair part. I'm taking the clips and I'm taking them about 1.5 inches from the natural part and clipping it right in to the hair, making sure that the part on the topper is matching up with her part so that we aren't experiencing multiple parts. To brush through to ensure smooth blending from root to finish. When using a topper, you can always use heat styling to blend it into the natural hair as necessary. Everyone's hair is going to be a slightly different texture, so I would recommend using a straightener to just blend it right in to make sure that it's all looking nice and natural.